Hello and welcome to my take. I'm Saddam Hussein. Today we discuss about Cyclone Montha that is going to hit the coastal areas somewhere in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha and West Bengal, and what impact it will have on these regions. Whether there will be heavy rainfall, what kind of wind speeds you have, what kind of precautions people should take to move from these regions, and how the administration is prepared in a lighter way. Well, the first question is, who give to names to these cyclones? Some of the earlier cyclones we had, I'll read out some of the names that hit these regions were Cyclone Bhola, Cyclone Feni, Cyclone Amphan, Cyclone Hikka, Cyclone Tokte, Cyclone Yas, Cyclone Hudhud, very funny, Cyclone Pabuk, Cyclone Okhi, and Cyclone Gonu. Well, can you remember these names? It's next to impossible. Why can't they give simple names such as Cyclone Rahul, Cyclone Kishan, or Cyclone David, or Cyclone Trump for that matter, or Cyclone Ahmad, Cyclone Shahrukh? Well, maybe there is in a meaning here, there is a deep meaning. They're not going to give this kind of names. If some cyclone is severe, killing many people, well, it might lead to communal riots. Well, that's about, this is the names of the cyclone. That's why God knows who has given these names to these cyclones. Well, today's newspapers have come out with these headlines, with these headings for this Cyclone Montha. I read it out to you. If you can decipher, if you can make out any meaning out of these. These are severe cyclone headed to Andhra Pradesh. Some newspaper reported this, severe cyclone headed to Andhra Pradesh. God knows from where it has come. In the other newspaper, it has come Cyclone Montha to bring heavy rain to Andhra Pradesh. Cyclone Montha. And the other newspaper, Cyclone Montha to make landfill on October 28. IMD issues heavy rain alert in Odisha, Tamil Nadu. Well, the entire state of Odisha, the entire state of Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh, of course. That means it is covering almost the entire south. The cyclonic storm, the other newspaper reported, Montha is expected to form in the Bay of Bengal, intensify further and make landfall near Kakinada on the Andhra Pradesh on 28th October. Some newspapers are specific about where it is going to have landfill or where they're going to have this. Some newspapers are not so specific, they're indefinite. They don't give the dates, they don't give you the timings, they don't give where it is going to land, where they will be having depression, how many areas it will be covering, all these things. Okay, we'll read further some of these. Disaster management teams in Odisha are on a high alert. Oh, the news sounds as if there is going to be a terrorist attack. That is, disaster management teams in Odisha are in a high alert in view of an upcoming cyclone storm. Montha, that's the name of the cyclonic storm Montha, brewing in the Bay of Bengal. It's brewing, not any, they're making any curry or making any food item. Ahead of its landfall, a heavy rainfall alert has been issued for the state from October 27 onwards. This newspaper states from October 27 onwards there is going to be heavy rainfall in Odisha, indefinite period of time. They never mention how long this cyclone is going to last, maybe a day or 2 days or 3 days. From 24 onwards, you will be having severe cyclonic storm, heavy rainfall alert. According to the India Meteorological Department IMD, we are quite familiar with this, their language. No one understands. A severe cyclonic storm is expected to form in the Bay of Bengal, cyclonic storm in the Bay of Bengal by October 26. God knows from where it comes, from October 26, and then intensify further and make landfall near Kakinada on the Andhra Pradesh coast area between Machilipatnam and Kalingapatnam on the evening or night of 28th October. Well, these two newspapers have different dates, but this paper is very specific. On 29th night, they're saying it is going to have a landfall in a particular area and it is going to cause havoc or disaster. Then the heading says heavy rain warning. Well, let's see what this warning is about. Due to the cyclone, Andhra Pradesh is likely to receive heavy to extremely heavy rainfall from October 27 to October 28. Well, they have predicted it's going to have only 2 days. There will be rain on October 27th and 28th over some places. You never know which are these places. In Yanam and Rayalaseema. As per the Met Center, a yellow warning has been issued for the entire Andhra Pradesh for October 26. Yellow warning. Well, we come across these full warnings. Sometimes they say yellow warning. I don't know exactly what it means. Sometimes they say red warning, sometimes green, sometimes, well, only the colors we know, but exactly what kind of disaster, what kind of devastation, what kind of danger these colors bring to the people staying in these coastal regions. Odisha is also likely to experience heavy to extremely heavy rainfalls expected in several districts. We don't know exactly, but in several districts. Like they say, some places, including Ganjam, Gajapati, Rayagada, and Koraput, and Malkangiri. On 28th and 29th October, they stretched it to 29th also. Wind speed will increase to 60 to 70 kilometers per hour with gusts up to 80 kilometers per hour in some districts. Well, no one is going to verify this. Are you going to stand near these coastal areas to find out the wind speed? What kind of instrument you need to measure this wind speed in these areas? They say 60 to 70 kilometers per hour. Well, in Tamil Nadu, now we come to another state. Why to leave Tamil Nadu also? In Tamil Nadu, light to moderate rainfall at isolated places with heavy rainfall at isolated places is expected during 25th to 26th and on 28th October. They left 27th. I don't know why. Because they say from 25th onwards you'll have rainfall. Well, we covered up all the three states, Tamil Nadu, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Now subsequently they say it will move close to West Bengal. So they also, some newspapers, they say because of this effect in Bangalore you'll have rainfall. In Mumbai also, in Mumbai, there will be rainfall. Well, it's a very confusing. That means, why can't the IMD say that the entire south will be affected because of this Montha cyclone Montha? The entire South India, all the states, you can mention in that Karnataka, Maharashtra, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. Now, to introduce you exactly what the India Meteorological Department, they have put the notification on X. Well, I'll read out. See, this is humanly impossible to decipher, humanly impossible to make out what exactly they want to convey. Exactly, I quote. The depression over Southeast Bay of Bengal moved nearly west, northwestwards, with a speed of 8 kilometers. Who is going to measure 8 kilometers during past 6 hours? And lay centered at 23:30 hours IST of yesterday. See the language. 23:30 hours of IST, that's Indian Standard Time of yesterday. Well, we don't know what is the today, the 25th October 2025. Over the same region near latitude 11.0 degrees, well, and longitude 87.7 degrees east, about 550 kilometers. So about this latitude and longitude, I remember my junior classes, maybe I learned about this when I was in class 6 or 7. I don't know exactly, I don't need an atlas to find out, atlas or some map, what exactly is longitude and latitude. Well, they're mentioning about this, about 550 kilometers west of Port Blair, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, 850 kilometers east southeast of Chennai, that is in Tamil Nadu, 890 kilometers southeast of Visakhapatnam, that is in Andhra Pradesh, 890 kilometers southeast of Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, and 970 kilometers southeast of Gopalpur, that is in Odisha. Well, from these things we can make out where exactly this landfall or where exactly is the rain is starting from. They're given you in kilometers. Well, we read it, but you never know exactly what exactly is happening. Only when you read it, we people generally said, okay, tomorrow or maybe from tomorrow for at least 2-3 days there will be rain in this particular region. But God only knows whether you'll have the rain or not. Apart from that, the scary situation is they want all the fishermen not to enter the sea, or they want the people who are staying near the coastal areas or near the seashores to move to safer places. Well, all kinds of things. Well, after seeing these things, it's impossible to understand what exactly, when it is going to rain, in which regions. They mention almost all the states, right from Tamil Nadu to Odisha to Andhra Pradesh to West Bengal, all the regions almost. Apart from that, they said it's going to have, there will be slight rainfall in Bangalore and in other states too. That simple story is the entire south is going to have rain because of this cyclone. Well, you make out, when we read it, only one thing it comes to our mind is, well, tomorrow there's going to be rain, or it's going to rain for another 3-4 days, but no one is bothered the speed of the whatever you call it, the air. No one is bothered in how many kilometers and distance of these things and all. So that's only for fun, that's it. So that's all we have time for this. This is for video. Till we meet next time, goodbye, and don't forget to share, subscribe and like our videos. Bye.